How to remove apps from iPhone home screen. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can remove apps from iPhone home screen, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe we want to remove the applications from our home screen but not actually delete them. We only want to hide those applications. For example, let's take a look at a few applications. Let's select Prime Video for example. I want to hide and remove the app from my home screen. So for that I just have to long press the Prime Video app icon here. Here you will find the remove app button. You can tap on remove app option. You can choose to delete the app, but that will completely remove from home screen as well as also from your system. But if that is not what you're looking for, you can only tap the option called remove from home screen. This way, what happens is that whenever you tap the remove app and tap on delete from home screen option, the app will get hidden from your home screen. But if you go to settings, or maybe if you go to app library over here, the application will still be there and you can still use it. But this way you can remove an app from your iPhone home screen. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.